All right, so this time we are going to be dividing the functions, and this is actually pretty easy. All right, so j of x and k of x are defined right here. So we're asked to find j over k of x. So all that is j of x over k of x. That's all that is. So j of x is on top, so that's just our 2x plus 6, and k of x is on the bottom, so that's our 4x minus 10. And in most cases, this is going to be the way I give you your answers. This would be your answer. Technically, because they all have a 2 in common, you could factor out a 2 and then simplify that. I'm just going to use this. I'll show you what I mean towards the end of the video here. All right, so we're asked to find j over k of 4. All right, so you could just do j of 4 over k of 4, but I'm just going to use this function up here, okay? It's the same thing. So we're plugging in 4 for x. So this would be 2 times 4, which is 8, and then 8 plus 6. So you get 14. On the bottom, 4 times 4 for x is 16, and 16 minus 10 is 6. And then you would just simplify that. They can both divide by 2. So you get 7 over 3. That's it. For j over k of negative 2, so we're plugging in negative 2 for x this time. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, and then negative 4 plus 6. Negative 4 plus 6 is positive 2. And we're plugging in negative 2 for x this time. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So we got negative 8 minus 10. That's negative 18. Again, those will divide by 2. And you'll get negative 1 over 9. Right? So that's what I meant. I said up here you could factor out a 2 and then cancel the 2's. That's why all of these are simplifying by 2. So this could be your answer, or if you wanted to simplify it a little further, you could take a 2 out of both of those. So you'd end up with 2 and then x plus 3. And then you could take a 2 out of these. The 4x would become a 2x, and the 10 would become a 5. All right. And then these 2's could cancel. So this could have been your j over k function all along. I would have gave you 7 over 3 as well. All right. This j over j of x, just want to show you what happens here. J was 2x plus 6. So you wind up with 2x plus 6 over 2x plus 6. And anything divided by itself will always equal 1. All right, so no matter what value you plug in for x here, you will always get 1. I actually need to put that in quotations. You will almost always get 1. The only value you're not allowed to plug in for x would be negative 3. Negative 3 is the only number you cannot plug in for x. All right, it's a domain issue. You don't have to worry about that right now. But basically, this will always equal 1, all right, because you're dividing it by itself.